Welcome to DNA and Crime. My name is Stephen Lee. I am so excited to have you join our class. We have a welcome page here that basically describes everything about the course, about forensic DNA in general, the fact the course format is in 3 different modules, an introductory module, Module 1, and Module 2. There are 2 quizzes and 2 exams. And the modules and their descriptions are here with the due dates for the exams and quizzes listed. There's some links here for how you get ready for an online class and Canvas support, as well as how you best contact me. There's the first module on how you get started, and that's where you'll find the syllabus here underneath this link, and then you'll also be able to find the various modules. You just simply click on this button to get you the syllabus downloaded. And then you can also see the various modules of the course. Getting started, Module 1 that has the readings as well as recorded videos, the links to the exams and quizzes, and then our final, of course. So I'm looking forward to getting us into this course, and please feel free, as I said, to contact me by email, and the information is here in the course syllabus that can easily be downloaded. My phone number is 408-924-2048, and my email stephen.lee@sjsu.edu. I look forward to working with you. Talk to you soon. Bye.